Hi guys, this is Travis from GS-100C. Ever since our GL-Hook LiDAR system launched, it struck the surveyors and engineers around the world by its unprecedented affordable price. Many even commend it as the most cost-effective LiDAR solution. But how its accuracy looks like? On today's video, we're gonna set up some ground control point to verify that. Let's go and get it started. All right, we got everything we need for today's mission here. So we got the DJI M300 drones, our LiDAR system, which is GS-100C Plus, and also the RTK instrument. So next we're gonna unpack all the equipment and gear them up. Okay, about today's mission, we designed 3 steps to go. First one, we're gonna set up the base station and collect some ground control points. And then we plan and fly the mission. And the last one is we collect all the data we scanned and just processed on the computer in the office to get the final result. Okay, this is the base station. Just to make sure you just set it up and before any flight missions, and also let it work for the entire time of the mission. All right, next we're gonna collect some ground control point. This is our first GCP. All right, this is our last ground control point. Once we finish it, we're just gonna head back with all the data. Okay, we got the drone in place, and next we're gonna install our LiDAR system to the drone. We just designed this perfectly matched mounting kit, which is easily used to connect to the drones. Okay, we just finished the installation, and we're gonna wait for like 2 or 3 minutes to warm up the system, and then we're clear to fly. Okay, we finished everything here. Next, we can just pack everything back and get all the data and process them on the computer in the office and get the result. Let's go back to the office. Okay, here we are back in the office. Next, we're gonna process the data to get the point cloud first, and then import all the ground control points and get the accuracy report. Let's do it. Now we have the point cloud. We can see a lot of details here, buildings, roads, and trees. It perfectly reflects how the real environment looks there. Alright, let's import the ground control points and generate a control report. Here we can see the ground control points and their exact coordinates. We also got the average vertical accuracy at the bottom. It says the root mean square is 7.4 centimeter, which means the vertical accuracy is 7.4 centimeter at a 100 fly height for today's mission. Next, we're going to show the location of some ground control points one by one. Alright, that's pretty much everything about today's video. The vertical accuracy of GS-100C Plus is 7.4 centimeters, which is good enough to make the GS-100C Plus the most cost-effective LiDAR system in the world. So, for more information, please feel free to contact us, and we are more than willing to help you master this new technology. and start a new chapter of your serving business. Bye bye.